Hello Year 4 students, welcome to week 3 and week 4 of your course. How are you getting on? Hopefully you're getting into the swing of it slowly. You're seeing your lesson notes, you're either printing them or downloading them, reading them through, and also doing the practice test. So you will get into a nice rhythm soon, so please do keep persevering. Hopefully you're building your vocabulary list as well from general reading and life, so that's really good, and working through everything that we set you. Please also start thinking about doing some additional books. Now, we know that that is what other students will do who are preparing for their 11 plus. So one book in each of the core areas of your 11 plus. So that could be English, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, and start working through that. We do recommend the books, so please see our book list, but anything which is age appropriate is fine, and be flexible with the book. So if they're a little bit difficult, go back a level. So go to a lower level, just work according to your ability, and please do persevere. So nice and consistently working through your books and your practice tests that we have on our platform. So see you soon. Bye.